Have you ever walked into your bathroom and just felt like, no matter how much you clean, it never feels truly fresh? Or maybe you've spent a fortune on harsh chemicals, scrubbing until your arms ache, only for that lingering smell or those yellowish stains to come back again and again. What if I told you there's a weird little trick involving just one garlic clove that could transform your bathroom cleaning routine forever? Sounds crazy, right? But stay with me, because once you try this, you'll wonder why you didn't know about it sooner. Before we jump in, take a second to let me know in the comments, where in the world are you watching from, and what time is it where you are? I love seeing how global and connected our community really is. And don't forget, if you love discovering natural, smart life hacks that make everyday life easier, healthier, and cleaner, hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you never miss out. All right, let's dive in. So, let me take you back a few months. I was chatting with my grandmother. You know, one of those wise women who always has a remedy for everything. I mentioned how tired I was of using strong chemicals in the bathroom that made my head spin, and she said something I didn't expect. Put garlic in your toilet before bed. I laughed at first. I mean garlic? That stuff I put in pasta? But she just smiled and said, try it, you'll see. So I did. And oh my gosh, she was right. Let's break down why this works and how you can do it too. Why garlic? Garlic isn't just tasty, it's a powerhouse. It contains allicin, a compound known for its antimicrobial and antifungal properties. That means garlic can fight off bacteria, fungi, and even mold, naturally. And guess what? Your toilet is one of the dirtiest, most bacteria-loaded places in your home. It needs more help than just a once-over with a store-bought cleaner. So here's the method that's been passed down for generations, and now shared with you. Method 1, the overnight garlic clove trick. Here's what you do. Before going to sleep, peel 1 garlic clove. Drop it directly into your toilet bowl. Let it sit overnight. Ideally when no one will be using the bathroom. In the morning, just flush. Done? Repeat this process twice a week and you'll notice less odor, fewer yellowish stains, a cleaner, fresher toilet, simple, cheap, natural. Effective. And the best part? No harsh fumes, no gloves, no headaches. But wait, that's not all. If you want to take it a step further and give your toilet a deeper clean naturally, try this next method. Method 2, garlic tea toilet disinfectant. Yes, you heard that right, garlic tea. Not to drink though. This one's for your toilet. Here's how you make it. Boil 1 cup of water in a small pan. While it's boiling, finely chop 3 garlic cloves. Once the water is boiling, turn off the heat and add the chopped garlic. Cover the pan and let it steep for 15 minutes. After that, pour the garlic tea directly into your toilet bowl. Do this right before bed as well. It gives the natural compounds time to work overnight without interruption. You'll be amazed at how quickly it helps eliminate bacteria and stains. Plus, this trick gives fast results, especially if you're dealing with buildup around the waterline or yellow rings. Why this works so well, think about it. We're always told to clean, disinfect, sanitize, but we're rarely told how to do it safely. Most chemical cleaners are filled with ingredients that trigger allergies, irritate your lungs, harm your skin, even pollute the water system. And yet, right in your kitchen, there's a natural, safe, and effective solution just waiting to be used. Garlic is not only a natural antibiotic, but it's also antiviral and antifungal, which means you're hitting all the major bacteria types without harsh chemicals. And when you let it work overnight, it has the time and space to do its job properly. Now, let me address a question I know some of you are thinking. Will my bathroom smell like garlic? Nope. Surprisingly, when used in the water of your toilet, garlic doesn't leave behind a strong odor. If anything, it neutralizes bad smells, especially those deep, musty ones that regular cleaners just can't reach. And if you want an extra touch of freshness, you can always follow up with a splash of lemon juice or a drop of essential oil the next morning. So let's recap. Peel and drop a garlic clove in the toilet before bed. Flush in the morning. Do this twice a week. Make garlic tea and pour it into the bowl to disinfect more thoroughly. Let sit overnight. 2 methods. No chemicals, no scrubbing, no stress, just results. And let's be real. In today's fast-paced world, who has the time to deep clean every inch of the bathroom every week? That's why smart natural hacks like this one are gold. They let you work with nature, not against it. They save you time, money, and effort, while still keeping your home safe and sparkling clean. So now I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried garlic as a cleaner before? Or do you have another natural bathroom hack that your family swears by? Share it in the comments. Let's trade tips and help each other live smarter. And don't forget, let us know where you're watching from and what time it is in your part of the world. I love seeing how far this little garlic trick is spreading. If this video gave you a new idea or made you say, wait, I'm definitely trying that tonight, give it a thumbs up and send it to someone who needs this in their life. And of course, hit subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on the next health or home hack we bring you. We've got a lot more where this came from. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.